Welcome back. Now to get started using AWeber, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to this manage list and then you're going to create a list. Now, typically AWeber will default to your company name as you have it stated in your account, but you can place a different company name and company website in these dialog boxes for the point at which you are setting up your list. Now when you're writing in your sender name and email address, typically AWeber is going to give you a message saying that you want to avoid using free email addresses such as those that you're going to get from Google or Microsoft or some other email provider. And so once you have your sender name in, you're then going to click Next Step. This is where you're going to describe your list, and this is going to be something that's going to be seen by your customer. So you want to make sure that you write in a name where they're going to know where they signed up. In many cases, they're going to see the name of this list as well as your description if they seek to unsubscribe. So by describing this list extremely well, you could have someone come to this page and say, oh, I don't want to unsubscribe. I remember why I'm receiving email from this list. Once you do that, you'll then click Next Step. You'll then choose the language that you want your autoresponder to send messages in. In particular, you're thinking about the confirmation messages that will be sent when someone subscribes. You need to choose a specific subject line. And typically, you'll want to edit this content so that it is not generic and is specific to the list that they're going to be getting. Now, if you change any of the language, your language will need to be approved by AWeber before it can be finalized and sent to your customer. But once you've done that, you're going to click Approve Message and Create List. And you'll now be able to see your list. Now, there are more settings that need to be completed before you're ready to begin using this list. And we'll explore that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.